When it comes to enhancing the comfort, efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of your property, custom windows offer an unparalleled solution. Whether you're upgrading a residential home or modernizing a commercial office in Birmingham, custom windows provide a tailored approach to meet your unique needs. Here's a closer look at the key benefits custom windows bring to both homes and offices in this dynamic city. Personalized aesthetic appeal. One of the most significant advantages of custom windows is their ability to complement the style of your property. Unlike standard windows, custom designs allow homeowners and business owners in Birmingham to select shapes, colors, and finishes that perfectly align with their building's architectural character. For homes, custom windows can enhance the charm of traditional Birmingham homes or add a sleek, modern look to contemporary residences. From unique shapes like arches and hexagons to custom trim colors, the possibilities are endless. For offices, businesses can create a professional and inviting atmosphere by choosing windows that reflect their brand's image, whether that's clean, minimalist designs or bold, statement-making styles. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top priority for property owners in Birmingham, where fluctuating temperatures can lead to high energy costs. Custom windows are designed with energy-saving features that reduce heat loss during winter and minimize heat gain in summer. Advanced glazing options, double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and gas-filled windows are common custom features that significantly enhance insulation. Tailored fit. Because custom windows are precisely measured and manufactured for your openings, they eliminate gaps and drafts that contribute to energy loss. With better insulation, both homes and offices can enjoy consistent indoor temperatures, reduced reliance on HVAC systems, and lower energy bills. Enhanced natural light. Natural light has a profound impact on mood, productivity, and overall well-being. Custom windows maximize the amount of light entering your space, making it feel more open and inviting. For homes, large custom windows or strategically placed designs, like bay or picture windows, can flood living spaces with sunlight, creating a warm and cozy atmosphere. For offices, ample natural light in commercial spaces boosts employee morale and productivity while reducing the need for artificial lighting, which cuts energy costs. Increased property value. Investing in custom windows is a smart way to boost your property's value. High-quality, visually appealing windows make homes and offices more attractive to buyers and tenants. Additionally, energy-efficient features and modern aesthetics are highly sought after in the Birmingham real estate market. Homeowners. Custom windows can make your property stand out in a competitive housing market, leading to higher offers from potential buyers. Business owners. A well-maintained and visually appealing office creates a positive impression, attracting clients and elevating your professional reputation. Superior durability and longevity. Custom windows are often crafted from premium materials, ensuring they last longer and require less maintenance than standard options. These windows are designed to withstand Birmingham's varying weather conditions, from hot summers to occasional cold snaps. Material options. Choose from vinyl, fiberglass, wood, or aluminum, each offering different levels of durability, style, and maintenance requirements. Custom craftsmanship. Because they're made to order, custom windows often feature superior build quality and attention to detail, ensuring long-term performance. Noise reduction. Birmingham is a bustling city, and noise pollution can be a concern for both homes and offices. Custom windows with noise-reducing features create a quieter, more serene indoor environment. For homes, enjoy peace and quiet by blocking out street noise, barking dogs, or other neighborhood disturbances. For offices, a quieter workspace promotes focus and productivity, making custom windows a valuable addition for businesses located in busy areas. Improved security. Custom windows can be equipped with advanced security features to protect your property. Reinforced glass, multi-point locking systems, and tamper-proof frames offer an added layer of safety. For homes, protect your family and belongings with windows that deter break-ins and withstand forced entry attempts. For offices, safeguard sensitive documents, equipment, and inventory with windows designed to prevent unauthorized access. Why choose custom windows for Birmingham properties? Custom windows offer the perfect balance of functionality and beauty. By working with professional installers in Birmingham, you can create a solution tailored to your specific needs, whether it's enhancing curb appeal, saving energy, or improving indoor comfort. Investing in custom windows not only elevates the look and feel of your home or office but also ensures long-term benefits that standard windows simply can't provide. With options to suit any style, budget, and requirement, custom windows are a practical and valuable upgrade for Birmingham properties. Contact a trusted local provider today to explore your options and start transforming your space with custom windows.